Welcome back to Itoshima Crossing.
Today we're going to explore the Kuda. A Kuda is a traditional Japanese storehouse, and there's a really cool one behind the Kominka.
This is a really big one. I've never seen this big before.
So let's go check it out. Okay, if you will do the honors. So basically, there's like a hole here, and then there's a hole here.
Yeah, a little
You can
hole.
put your hands into those holes to like open it.
Which this?
Yes, to the left, yeah. Yes, yep.
Whoa. Okay.
All right, yeah, let's go in. It's gonna be dark. We'll get some lights. But yeah.
Well, it's not that. I mean, did you clean this?
No, I haven't touched anything in here.
Okay. It's pretty clean actually. And then what are you gonna do this, Kuda?
Yeah, so in the future, I have a dream of basically turning this Kuda into a theater room. Wow. Yeah.
So we're gonna have like a big screen here, and then we have some like seats over here.
Exactly. That's the dream. We could do like a really nice kind of theater room, Kuda theater room. It would be dark and cool and like sound isolated. It's big. It's actually bigger than you would think when you look at it from the outside, but it's actually a pretty big space. So
if it's like, yeah, if you put the screen here, it's gonna be like more than 100 inches easily,
oh yeah,
right?
oh yeah,
it's gonna be like
absolutely, very big. And it's cool. Like it's not too hot today, but in the summer even, you come in here, it's cool. And that's because Kuda, they have really thick walls, like out of clay, because they're meant for storage. And so they have really, really thick kind of like earthen walls that hold in the heat, or hold out the heat and keep it cool.
Are we able to get rid of like these piers?
Yes, we can. This is hard to see on camera, I think, but okay, notice how behind you the floor is going down. It's slanted down. The ground in that corner of the Kuda has actually sunken, and the floor above us is falling down to the right. So look at these beams.
Yeah.
See how they're not connected here? So these are actually falling, and the only thing holding them up are these supports. So the floor is literally falling down.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
It's supposed to be like up here, but as you can see, it's falling down. So yeah, these beams will go. These are not meant to be here. These are like kind of temporary supports to keep it from falling. Nobody has gone up here since we've bought the Kominka. But if we look up here, yeah, I'll get a light because there's some objects and other things. Like there's something in the ceiling up there. Like what is that? So we will explore the second floor of the Kuda for the very first time today.
Yeah, if you guys have any other idea that we can just change this Kura to something else, that would be really good. So please give us a comments too.
Yes. All right, so I'll be going up first. I think I'm gonna go onto this beam here. It's sturdy. I don't want to climb on that one, I think. So I'm going to try climbing over onto this one.
Okay.
Hopefully I don't fall. Oh. All right. Kay's coming up.
I think, is it pretty?
That's sturdy. Yeah, that's sturdy right there. Oh, man.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah,
Look
I
at
mean,
this.
we can still, on the second floor, you can still stand on it, right? Yeah. Yeah, the floor is sinking, absolutely.
Right, yeah. It's sinking over there, and a bunch of bamboo is coming through the outside, and it's grown.
Oh, really? Is it coming from outside?
Yeah, that's bamboo that's grown from outside, and it's come into the Kuda.
すげえな, bamboo.
Yeah, the bamboo is crazy, man. These beams are in great condition, though. These look really nice. Look at that. Very nice. And the window, this window is cool. Oh, man.
This is a very traditional Kura style. Like
yes,
you have Kura and then only one window on the top.
That's right, yeah. Because you'll see Kuda as you drive around, you look at some of the cool old Kominkas around town, you'll see a lot of them have like a Kuda in their yard, and they always have like that one kind of window on the top. We got, oh, there's the Kominka. Nice view. It's a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
Look at that, look at, there's like a old hook. Who knows what that's used for? That's cool. Interesting. What is this? All right. I'm going to go try to get...
To the corner?
That, no, that thing.
The thing's on there.
Yeah. Here we go.
Careful, careful.
Oh, man. Okay. Why? How does this get up here, you know? Like, who puts this up there?
What's that?
I don't know. Oh, whoa, it's really fragile. It's just super old. It's like very fragile. Ah, that's really cool. Oh, what's that? Look at this. What do you think that is? Oh, crap.
Maybe a letter. The funny thing is, this is too old, so I can't really read it.
Interesting. Well, I'll have to take care of this, not to damage it. I don't know how old it is.
You said like this Kura is like over like 100 years ago, right?
Yes. Yeah, lots of stuff. Bunch of metal pieces. Oh, yeah, we gotta cut that bamboo down. There's another like manuscript type thing right here. What is that? What is this? What does that say? Well, I'm not gonna be able to read it. Oh, it's just so much writing. What's that?
表札だと思う. It says Takashima Chikako. 表札 you put the name plates on at the genkan, the entrance.
Ah, yeah. So this is something that has the family name here, Takashima. This is the Takashima family, and it has what looks like to be their family crest, maybe, which that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's neat. Looks like Kay may have found a tarantula or just a very big spider. Let's take a look at this guy here. Yeah, it's a big boy. You could make this into a little guest house. It would be a lot of work, but it would also be very cool. The Kuda guest house of the Kominka would be very cool. Some more documents, old documents.
You couldn't find any treasure?
No treasure, but lots of really cool old stuff. Yeah, very cool. All right, that was the Kuda. It was fun to explore the top floor.
Maybe we can just change it to movie theater, or if you have other idea that you want to change it to, please give us a comment, and yeah, just please visit us.
All right, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one.